Okay, so stylistic codes and conventions is what we're going to talk about. Now guys, this tends to be something that can be tackled in quite a long question, so this is a discuss question. So remember the way that we're looking to lay it out, laying down your evidence and then dropping your conclusion onto it. So that's the sort of way that these questions tend to go. Okay, so when we're looking at stylistic codes and conventions, guys, we're looking at a variety of the different media types. So it could be that we're talking about film, it could be that we're talking about TV programs, or it could be that we're talking about magazines or some other sort of publication, or you know, other sorts of video and the way they're put together. So we could be looking at things like mise en scene if it was TV, if it was movies. So we could be looking at things like lighting, staging, the way that a story is told. If we're looking at a magazine, we could be looking at color. We could be looking at our particular target audience and what we're trying to do with our target audience. So if it was a sport publication, it could be to do with the images that I want to use, the teams that my target audience will like to support and go for. If it was a TV program, I might look at stereotypes and bringing in, you know, if I'm wanting to have a lot of young audience members watching my program, I might also bring in a lot of young actors into that, and that might be part of the code and convention that I'm going to go with for what I'm trying to create. Examples in the magazine world of codes and conventions are the fact that we tend to read from left to right in various publications. The fact that the text that is on a magazine tends to go with the picture, and the image could be something that could be discussed. And, you know, variety of different things, including things like page numbers that tend to be on every page, tend to always be the same. Things like using consistent text on all your different pages so that people know your magazine and know what sort of style you're going for. And of course, you know, the combination of pictures and images that go with that magazine. So there are a few examples there of how you can use codes and conventions in what you're trying to produce.